There's a team of people here who dream up new trailers, who maintain and improve our processes, of course, bring in parts and pieces, build them, clean them, hand them to customers, and then when or if customers have problems, help them with that. And it's just honestly incredible that this team comes together and does that every day. So it's a great job. You know, we're in the business of building great trailers that allow our customers to live their dreams. And we have literally thousands of customers that are wildly supportive, buy 2, 3 escapes. And it just is a real testament to this team and everybody who was here beforehand to build this up. So really great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. So to my right is the E23. Hopefully everybody who hasn't yet will take a chance to walk through this trailer. This is a dream I guess we all get to celebrate together. John would correct me, but I think this was on the list in 2018 when Escape was bought by KV. And we took much longer to get it launched than was aimed. I think it was a 2019 launch probably was planned. But other priorities, COVID and various challenges meant that it's waited until now. But fortunately, we sat here at the start of the year, said we're gonna get it done, and it's done. So incredible, incredible job. Look them in the eye, give them a good hard handshake, and thank them sincerely on behalf of all of us for making this trailer a reality. I would appreciate it.
Built for you!
Thank you, everybody.